rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear schoolmates. I wish everyone a happy and safe Diwali. Today, I, Aditya Soni, are hosting today's online special assembly on the occasion of Diwali on the behalf of the entire class of 9C.
So to begin this auspicious day, I would like to invite Priyal and Anya to chant a beautiful slok before all of us.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा, which means, O Lord Ganesha, with grand body, curved trunk and a splendor of 100 million suns, always remove obstacles from my work.
Bhartu me papam, Deepa Jyoti Namastute. This means, let the light of this lamp eliminate our sins. My salutations to this light.
सर्वे दुखो हरे देवी Mahalakshmi Namostute, which means my salutations to Goddess Lakshmi, who drives away all the sorrows from our life.
Karoti Kalyan Marogyam Dhan Sampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyoti Namastute. This means I salute to the light which brings auspiciousness, prosperity, good health and the destruction of the intellect's enemy. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyal and Anya. That was a mesmerizing show, wasn't it?
Yes, it totally was. In my opinion, it was a perfect slow for the beginning of this day on a spiritual note.
I feel the same too. Now, I request everyone watching this program to prepare your eyes for the colorful and sensational events that follow, as our classmates have done their best to make this day memorable. So, to continue on our series of events, I would like to invite Priyal to perform a semi-classical solo dance.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, चोंदिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव भगति से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे। ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे, गोसावी नंदन निच दिन गुण गावे। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव प्रांगण वंदिन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंदे पूजन भावे वाळीन म्हणे नामा त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या तरुणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि गिरिधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
Thank you, Priyal, for the wonderful dance. I like her bold expressions and subtle dance moves. I am sure she must have gone through a lot of practice.
I agree. I really admire the level of dancing and the effort put.
Well, I don't know what to say, but I think that speech is not necessarily boring.
I do agree with you a bit. Anyways, we have a speech on our event list, so our audience will have to bear with it. So, I would like to call upon Anjali to give you a speech on Diwali and Bhai Dooj.
A very gorgeous morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my lovely friends. Today we are celebrating Diwali. Every festival in our country is made with a relationship of love. All festivals have their own different values in the life of people. Diwali is considered to be the biggest festival of Hindus. The festival of Bhai Dooj comes after Diwali, which is also known as Yama Dwitiya. In many mythological legends, it is said that relationship of brother and sister is always ready to sacrifice their life for each other. The story of Bhai Dooj is similar, in which both brother and sister pray for a happy life for each other. Bhai Dooj is a festival of brotherly love, in which sister invites her brother to her house and follows a ritual called Tilak in Hindu religion and makes him eat sweets and wishes him a good and secure future. On this special occasion, brother give many gifts to their sisters, and in return, sister pray for their brothers a long and happy life. This festival is considered as a symbol of unconditional love of brother and sister. The festival of Diwali ends with Bhai Dooj. It is believed that Yamraj had promised his sister Yamuna that on this day, if sister invites her brother and follows a ritual and give him food to eat, then her brother will live a long and happy life. At last, wishing you all a happy Bhai Dooj. May this Bhai Dooj bring immense happiness and success in your and your brother's life. Thank you and have a joyful day.
Although we feel that speeches are a bit boring, but it is also quite necessary to have speeches because it helps us to clear all the doubts and false perceptions we have in our mind.
Oh, yes, I think I agree with you on that point.
Okay, now everyone gear up for the next event. Any guesses what we have next?
Maybe a little poem on Diwali.
And you guessed it wrong. Up next we have a play on Ramayana. A short refreshment about Ramayana. Ramayana tells the story of Lord Ram, who was the king of Ayodhya. Lord Ram's father Dashrath has 3 wives. When the time comes for Lord Ram to sit on the throne and become the king, there occurs a problem. Kaikeyi asked her husband that her own son Bharat should become the king instead of Ram. She also asked him to send Ram to the forest. Ram goes to the forest with his wife for 14 years exile. Ram's cousin brother Lakshman also goes with him because he loves and respects him the most. In the forest, Sita was kidnapped by the evil Ravan. Then the Ram goes to bring back his wife. Lord Hanuman and his tribes help him. Ram kills Ravan and come back to Ayodhya with Sita. People always celebrate the victory over evil by lighting diyas on Deepavali.
Wow, that wonderfully summarizes the story. Good job.
कुंभकर्ण
अभी इसके जागने का समय नहीं है, लेकिन लंका मुसीबत में है, इसे जगाना ही पड़ेगा, वरना ये तो 6 महीने सोता है। इसको किसी तरह से जगाओ।
जागो कुंभकर्ण, जागो। खाना लाओ, खाना।
तुम जानते हो तुम्हें क्यों जगाया है? पूरी लंका मुसीबत में है। लंका का धीरे धीरे विनाश हो रहा है और लंका को तुम्हारी जरूरत है। मैंने सीता का अपहरण किया है।
क्या आपने माता जानकी का अपहरण कर लिया है? साक्षात माँ लक्ष्मी का अपहरण, और यह सब करते समय आपने मुझसे पूछा तक नहीं। अब लंका का विनाश निश्चित है, परंतु मैं फिर भी आपके तरफ से लड़ूंगा और अपने भाई होने का कर्तव्य निभाऊंगा। तो तुम हो राम, अच्छा हुआ कि तुम आ गए। तुम्हें बुलाने के लिए ही तुम्हारे इन वानर की सेना को मैं परेशान कर रहा था, ताकि यह सुनकर शायद से तुम्हारा क्षत्रिय लहू खौल उठे और तुम युद्ध भूमि में आ जाओ। जैसे यम के पुकारने पर जीव आत्मा शरीर से बाहर आ जाती है, यह समझ लो कि तुम स्वयं ही मृत्यु के पास चल कर आए हो।
आओ राम, आओ। आज मैं अपने पुत्र मेघनाथ और भाई कुंभकर्ण की मृत्यु का बदला लूंगा। और मेरे सामने आए हो तो शीश झुका कर आओ। आज हम तुम्हें स्वयं दंड देंगे।
नीच निशाचर, असहाय स्त्रियों पर वीरता दिखाने वाले कायर, तू किस बात पर अपने आप को वीर कहता है? धर्म की मर्यादा भंग करने वाले पापी, तेरा समस्त पापों का आज तुझे दंड अवश्य मिलकर रहेगा।
प्रभु, ब्रह्मा जी के वरदान से दशानन के नाभि में अमृत है, इसलिए आप उसे ब्रह्मास्त्र नाभि में मारिए।
विभीषण!
लक्ष्मण, रावण एक वेद पाठी और शिव भक्त ज्ञानी ब्राह्मण है। तुम जाके इसके चरणों में बैठकर ज्ञान प्राप्त कर लो।
लक्ष्मण, युद्ध भूमि में कभी भी निहत्थे शत्रु पर वार न करना। युद्ध भूमि में कभी भी विश्वास न खोना, क्योंकि विश्वास ही सबसे बड़ा शस्त्र है। मोक्ष प्राप्ति के लिए मन और आत्मा का शुद्ध होना अति आवश्यक है।
इस प्रकार राम 14 वर्षों तक जंगल में अपने कर्तव्य का पालन करते रहे और समाज का कल्याण करते रहे। इसके उपरांत वो अयोध्या वापस आते हैं और इसी खुशी में अयोध्या वासियों ने घी के दीपक जलाए थे। तब से हम प्रत्येक वर्ष इसी खुशी में दीपावली मनाते हैं।
मधुर सरस अरुवती मन भावन, मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, दशरथ अचर बिहारी। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। ये वही जो राम रचि राखा, को कर करत बढ़ावे साखा। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
Thank you to all the participants for presenting a wonderful play before all of us. It really was so intriguing. To me, it seemed like the characters that they were playing were alive in front of me. and I forgot that they were acting in a play. Really a wonderful performance by all of them.
Yes, they perform really well. I am sure the audience also feels the same.
Okay, so next we have a speech on the necessary corona precautions that we have to take when we go out of our homes to celebrate Diwali with our friends and relatives safely. So I would like to call upon Shubhi to give the speech.
A wonderful morning, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today is a very special and auspicious occasion of Diwali. Diwali is the biggest and the brightest festival of India. It has many legends. According to Ramayana, Diwali is celebrated in the honor of Lord Ramchandra, who was an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Lord Ram's father Dashratha had 3 wives. When the time came for Lord Ram to become the king and sit on the throne, Kaikeyi asked her husband that her son Bharat should become the king. She also asked her husband to send Ram and Sita for 14 years of exile. Lord Ram's brother cousin Lakshman also goes with him. In this forest, Sita was kidnapped by the evil demon Ravan. Then, with the help of Lord Hanuman and his monkey tribes, Lord Ram rescued Sita from the clutches of evil demon Ravan. As Ram and Sita returns to their kingdom Ayodhya, the city of Ayodhya was decorated with lights to mark the end of exile and victory of good over evil. So, as we celebrate Diwali, let us remember Shri Lord Ramchandra, whose appearance in the world can serve as a guide to all. He never fails to show us where to put our faith, our trust, our hope for deliverance, even in the most dangerous of the situation. Let us find inspiration in how the Supreme Soul delivers victory of good over evil, knowledge over ignorance, truth over falsehood. Diwali is a time for celebration, but Diwali is also a time for contemplation, when we remember those who are less fortunate and those who may not be enjoying the same rights as us. We should always help and support them. In this Diwali, let us make sure to move towards an eco-friendly Diwali that will not affect our environment as well as the old people suffering from respiratory problems. I wish all of you a very happy, wealthy, prosperous, safe and clean Diwali. Thank you. Enjoy this day.
Thank you, Shubhi. All I have to say is please follow the precautionary requirements to celebrate a safe and happy Diwali with everyone.
Yes, and please don't go on the number of active cases. The historic fight against corona is still not completely over. Until and unless we take precautions, there might be a chance of a third wave.
Yes, you are correct. Now we are going to have a trial dance performance, which I think is one of the best performances of this morning. For this, I would like to call Srijita, Gyanvi and Smriti.
के स्वागत करावे सजली राहे मंगल गावे मन उपजे फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनों री ये किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा भरियारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवारो जी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए रघुवर
thank you to all the dance participants. That was indeed a lovely performance by all of them. I think that it was the centerpiece of today's events. Don't you think?
Yes, the performance was truly mesmerizing.
Now, our long array of events is finally over. Lastly, I would like to call upon our respected class teacher, Mr. Anil sir, to conclude up today's morning assembly by giving a short speech, and we'll end with our prestigious national anthem, which will be sung by the boys.
Good morning everyone. Wishing you and your family a very happy Deepavali and Dhanteras. Deepavali is India's biggest festival, and this festival signifies the victory of light over darkness. The main reason to celebrate Diwali is to return to Ayodhya of Lord Ram after defeated Ravan. So every year on this day we celebrate Diwali. May the goddess Lakshmi bless you with good health and prosperity. Happy Dhanteras and Deepavali to you and your family members. May this festival of light encircle your life with joy and happiness. Once again, wish you all a very happy and safe Deepavali. Thank you.
It was a great pleasure for both of us to be your host for today. Thank you.